In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or delete pictures in Gallery in Wix. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can quickly update the images on your website whenever you need to. If you want to remove old pictures, add new ones, or just refresh the look of your gallery, Wix makes the process very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, go to your Wix site page and open the editor where your content is displayed. Once you're there, look for the gallery on the page that you want to update. This is the section that contains the pictures currently being shown to your visitors. When you find the gallery, double-click on it. This will open the Gallery Management area, where you can control the images inside it. This is the main place you'll use anytime you want to make changes to the gallery items. If your goal is to delete a picture, move your mouse over the image you want to remove. As you hover over it, you'll see a three-dot icon appear. Click that icon to open the image options. From there, choose Remove. That will delete the selected picture from the gallery. If you're cleaning up your gallery, take a moment to make sure you're removing the correct image before continuing, especially if several pictures look similar. If you want to add new pictures instead, go to the top right area of the Gallery Manager and click Add Media. This will open your media options. From here, you can browse through the available media already stored in your Wix account, which is useful if you've uploaded images before and want to reuse them. If the pictures you need are not there yet, you can upload your own files directly from your device. After selecting the images you want to use, add them to the gallery, and they will appear as part of that section on your page. This makes it easy to update your website visuals without having to rebuild the gallery from scratch. A good tip is to use clear, high-quality images that match the style of your website, since your gallery often plays a big role in how professional the page looks. It's also helpful to review the gallery after making changes so you can confirm everything appears in the way you want. And that's how to add or delete pictures in a gallery in Wix. Once you know where the Gallery Manager is, updating your images becomes quick and easy.